everyone. Today we start our new lesson, chapter 5, Anita and the honeybees. This is the story of the Anita. What have to do in the story of the Anita? What is doing in the life of the, what is going on in the life of the Anita? So today we study about the Anita and the honeybee. Now Anita's name is the Anita Kushwaha and he lived in the Bochawa village in the Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. Right? Now she stay with their parents and two younger brother. Anita is studying in the college. Besides study, she teach the young children and do their honeybees keeping work. When she was little child, that time she has faced so many difficulties about the study, and she has also financial crisis. So Anita has to start their housekeeping business. In childhood, Anita's time was passed only and only with the goat and the sheep to gaze. Right? Now, one day Anita said, I have to go to the school, but that idea her parents didn't like. So they tell, don't go to the school. Now dream of the school. When Anita said to her parents, the parents said, you don't go to the school. Now that thing her teacher knows and come to the house and explain all the things to the parents. Up to 8th standard, you have not paid anything for the study. It is the rules of the government. Government decide it is the first right to each and every child has to study up to 8th standard free of cost. Right? So by hearing that, Anita's parents agreed to sending her to the school. At the first day, Anita is not very good in the study, but she always asks the question why that type of the happen. Then after up to 8th standard, Anita study. Now the problem is arise for the another study. She has to want to some money. So she started to coach to teach the students, younger student, and collected the money for the higher standard, higher education. Right? Now Anita has to continue to study by teaching young children to the house, and she goes to the house for studying the students. At that time, one program of the government is going on, that is the how to keep the honeybees. So Anita also want to going to that training for the honeybees keeping, because in her area so many trees of the lychee, and lychee tree attract the honeybees to make the nectar, and that work is going on very good manner. Right? So lychee trees are attracted by the honeybees, and government has to join the government has to given the special training for free of cost. So Anita has started to join the training of the government, because honeybee lay egg from October to December. It is the best time for the honeybee keeping. Right? Now for that he is going to take the training, and beside that Anita started to honeybee keeping the program, and for the income of the study and gazing goat and sheep, they collected the 5,000 rupees, and from the 5,000 rupees she purchased two box for keeping the honey. One box is for the 2,000 rupees, that means the 4,000 rupees she has to spend to keeping the honeybees box, and another 1,000 rupees is bring the medicines for the honeybee, and she brings the sugar for making the sugar syrup for the making honey. Right, here is the picture. Look at here, everyone. Anita has bring the two boxes, and here is the honeybee, and how to make the two boxes, how to spread the medicines, how to give the sugar syrup, everything. Now look at the picture carefully, all of you. Right, now it is the September, and by December he had many bees, and still I had buy more boxes. Then after she purchased again two boxes more to make honeybee keeping program very well. Right, she increased the boxes level, and he would spend some time a lot because the honeybee sting to the Anita, and Anita has to bear so many. Sometimes his hand will be swollen. Then after she started to keeping honeybees going on. Right, now in one box Anita has take out the 12 kg of honey. So Anita has the two boxes, then 24 kg honey she take out from the boxes. Now Anita has 20 boxes, so many boxes with the Anita has. Then after day is passing on, and Anita reached to the college, and her college will be from the 5 kilometers long distance, so 5 kilometers long ago. Right, now they have to purchase the bicycle, and by sitting on the bicycle they went to she went to college. Now everyone knows the Anita because she is doing so much good work for the honeybee keeping. She struggled whole life, and she studied also some children also. So in all around area, all are knowing the Anita. Right, now Anita go to the home to him, and she encourage the students who are not going to go into the study in the school. Right, so Anita and her parents also help to the Anita to aware the students to go into the school. Now Anita has to fan all over the village. At that time, the honeybees, we are talking about the honeybee. Honeybee is attracted by the nectar, and in the lychee tree is produced nectar very well. So in that task, Anita growing more and more lychee trees and attracted to honeybee for the nectar. Now here is the given: ants live and work together. The queen ant lays the egg, and soldier ant look after guard the ant hill. Now जो क्वीन हनी बी होती है वो एग रखती है, राइट, एंड द सोल्जर ant take look after the ant hill. Worker ant are always busy looking for the bringing to the ant hill. The whatever the nectar is put in the honeybee hive, it is done by the worker ant. And termites and wasps also live like this. Also termites and wasps also live like that. So this is the story of the Anita. Children, you heard the story, and you also encourage who are not going to school. It is our fundamental right given by the government. we have to go to the school. It is the basic necessity to take the education, right? And government also who has not position to pay the fee, they go to the government school also and free of cost. It is the main thing. Now it is the very hard working girl Anita. Can't you understand? Yes, you understand all? Yes, right. Now today I see you the fill in the blanks. Anita's village is located in Muzaffarpur district. Where is the Anita's village located? Anita's village name is the Bochawal, right? And it is located in the Muzaffarpur. When Anita was small, she used to gaze God. When I told earlier, Anita's gaze sheep and goats, right? Then it is small and it is used to gaze gods. The home of the honeybee is called a hive. Where the honeybee is kept, it is called the hive. Home of the honeybee is the hive. Honey is obtained by keeping honeybee. What we get from the honeybee? Honeybee obtain honey, right? Honeybees like the flowers of the lychee tree. Now, I earlier said lychee tree are attracted to the honeybees, right? Now, lychee trees flower in the month of the February. Where the flower of the lychee tree bloom? In the February month. Anita goes to the city to study in her college on a cycle. Anita purchase the cycle, I said, tell you, right? And we go for the study with the help of the bicycle, right? The queen ant does the work of the laying egg. The queen ant laying the work of the laying egg, and soldier ant are the keeping the take care of the ant hill, and worker honeybee take the nectar from the flower. Okay children, you understand the lesson? Okay, right. Bye bye.